everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another DIY project. I'm in my bathroom. As you can see, I have a curtain up here and I'm going to install the shower glass door. It's very easy and simple DIY project. And let's get started and I will show you. Magic. It looks beautiful. Wow, looks so nice. It doesn't take that long to install it. And it brings the beauty of your bathroom. So let me show you how I install the glass door. Let's get started. The shower door I'm going to install, if I see at this moment, my opening is 35 and a half. As for the height, I have no issue. I'm going to install 36 width and 72 height. It's very easy and simple to install it. It's going to look beautiful. I will show you my other bathroom which I already installed it and I'm in the process of installing another shower door in other bathroom. Let's take a look. This is the shower door. It's a double door I have installed in this bathroom. And this is a very easy and simple to install it as well. It's just you need a motivation. You just need a head start to do it yourself. If you never done it in your life, you have a will to do it and I'm sure you can do it. Like myself, I like to do things and that's one of the reasons I bring these videos out there so the people who need a motivation, who need a head start and they can do it. Like in this case, my opening was this was a 68, 76. I'm going to install the similar one in my other bathroom. So if you're going to install it from outside, it's going to cost you a lot of money. If you do it yourself, you save money and you enjoy it. This one looks hard to install it, but it's very simple. You install, a couple of screws here, couple screws on that side and you put the railing and you install at the bottom and that's basically it. So this is my other bathroom where I'm going to install another shower door right in here and this is going to be identical to my other one. These things are not hard to install it yourself. Only you need a head start. Once you install it and you're going to enjoy yourself and you're going to say, wow, I'll make a video and I'll post on my channel and you can watch it. Other bathroom, we're going to install the single door. So the first step will be taking out, this is, we're going to discard it. I'm going to open it. Quite honestly, when you look at this project, it looks like a big project. When you start to do it, then it doesn't look that bad. This is a simple DIY project. You save money. It's not a point of money, but the thing is you enjoy yourself. You feel good by doing things yourself. This is the instructions manual. You always, a good idea, you read through because that help you to put the things together. To always share with you the tips, how we can make it life easier. Before you start, just always make sure that you check each one of them, that if it's in there, if it's any part is missing, then you need to get that one. I'm going to open it, each one of them, and then I'll share with you. The first step, we're going to mount these two brackets. The glass door I have, it's a reversible. You can open it this way, or you can open it this way. The way I'm going to install it, I'm going to open it this way. So it's a reversible glass. In my scenario, I have 7 inches. The glass door, I'm going to install it right in the middle. If you, in a situation, you have a very small or narrow strip, then it's very important. You measure from the wall, then you check your dimension on the left and right side, which should be even. I'm keeping it 45 inches from the wall. That will bring me in the middle. So we're going to make sure that it's fully aligned. Pre-mark holes in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you need a pencil or Sharpie. Then we're going to make a mark then you need a tool. In my case, I have a granite tile, so I'm going to use a granite bit. So depending on your shower, whatever tiles you have, use that bit. The first one is installed, the second one you take the same dimension and you make sure that it's all leveled and then you install it. So that's the next step. As you can see, I can keep it up to 49 at the bottom, which is 49 right here, but I'm going to keep it right here in the middle. So my glass door sits right in the middle. That will be perfect. So we're going to make sure that it's leveled at the bottom. So that's a perfect level. I'm going to use the Sharpie and we're going to mark these spots. After marking these 4 spots, so this is my marker. See, this is the granite tile, so you have to be very patient. Slowly you make a hole in there. If you force it, then the granite tile will crack. The bit I'm going to use, these bits are a good natural stone, granite, ceramic, slate. So these bits will work for these tiles. As you can see, the quarter size, this is what we need to use. First I'm going to do it with the smaller one, then I'll work with the bigger one. As you see, the tip is don't push too hard, otherwise you will crack the tile. Slowly you will do it. So this tile is thick, as you can see. So it'll take a little time, and once the hole is made, then we are good to go. The hole is made, so now I'm going to use a bigger bit. It'll be much easier to make a hole. So now we're going to take out this bit and we're going to replace with this one, the bigger one. Initially, if we use a bigger one, then it will be harder. And also it's a good idea, keep a water, just dip your bit into it and then you put it inside. So with the bigger one, now it's perfect. The hole is made. Get a hammer and we're going to hammer it in and this will be a perfect fit. And that's it. So you've seen it. I made a one hole. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other 3 holes and the same thing. I'm going to do it 4 holes on this side. Then we're going to mount this bracket. This is the number 4 hole. I show you one before and then I'm done with one on the top, one here, and this is the last one. This is only the harder part. After that, it's very easy to install. We're going to clean it. Clean all the holes. We're going to hammer it. After installing wall anchors, now we're going to use the screw. This side is done. We drilled 4 holes. We put the wall anchors and put the screws in. So this is perfectly solid. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So this side is also done. Now I'm going to put the screws in. Both brackets are installed. We're going to bring the glass out. So now we're going to bring it and we're going to put it inside. So this one need to go inside. So after installing this shower door, one tip I wanted to share with you, if you are using a similar shower door which I'm using it, you're going to get into one problem. These two brackets, manufacturer has a poor instructions regarding these brackets. They didn't indicate that this is the left or right, or they did not say that this should go to the hinge side. So they did not mention anything in regard to these brackets. Once I mounted and I tried to put this one on, and it was really tough. So then finally I was looking into this one when I have this piece, and when I was putting this one, it was pretty loose, and that's where I figured out. So I took this bracket again out, unhooked this bracket, and I switched it. And now it was easily slide in. And only thing you need to do that once it's slide in, you have to put the bottom piece. You need to drill the hole into the bracket to the body. So I put the 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3, and I put the screws in. And now this portion will come on this side, and the way it's going to close it, this is the magnet strip. It's going to close like this. So this is the strip which I'm mounting it. So you need to make sure that you press it all the way down, and it's gonna go inside this. So the way to do it, slowly you press it and it goes inside. Just like that. And if you see this one, the bottom one is perfectly fit. And we're going to mount this one. We need to put this one inside. Just like this. This one, we're going to slide it in and we're going to put it inside like this into this bracket. Close it. This is the magnet strip. First we're going to put the handle, then it will be easier. So it's very simple. We just do it. This has a round washer and another washer which goes in the front like this into the hole. The other washers come from other side, just like this. Now we're going to open at the bottom. So this washer goes inside the hole like this. This one goes on top and this one goes inside. This is hand tight. You don't have to use any plier. Once it's hand tight, perfect. This is the magnet strip. It's perfectly. This magnet strip will attach to this one, and this is it. Only thing is left. I put the bottom strip that goes inside. Then we're going to put the sealant, and on this one I'm going to make a 3 holes. 1 hole here, 1 at the bottom. That way it will be secure. So basically that's it. I'll finish up this one, then I'll share with you. Glass door installation is completed. It's going to bring the outlook of the bathroom and look really nice. The only part is left, the silicone, the caulking. I'm going to seal the sides and same thing from inside, and that's basically it. So it's a very easy and simple to install it yourself. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching and commenting, and I'm going to see you soon with another DIY project. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.